So I am Somak Nag, a research scholar at School of Mathematics and Statistics, University of Hyderabad. So today I will solve problems from week 3 of previous year assignment from partial differential equation. So let me show you the question first. So is this visible? My screen, Ravi, easy response. Yes, okay, okay, fine. Fine. Actually, mic is video is not working. I don't know why. Okay, so let me start. Uh, Question number 2 already discussed in Soikot's class last Friday. So question number 3 is just you have to find the envelope for that equation. So let me show you the difference. Consider the PD ux square plus us square equal to 1. You have to find the which pair of equation represent the family of possible tangent poles. That already B is the answer. He last Friday he solved. So now I am solving question number 3, which where you have to find the envelope for the family of possible tangent planes through this point 0, 0, 0. That is envelope for the family which are given by the equation number B of question number 2. Okay, so I am writing the differential equation and then writing the families. So question number 3, the equation is given by equal to 1. So by solving this equation, I got the possible tangent planes at the point 0, 0, 0 are given by z equal to px plus qy, where p and q satisfies this relation p square plus q minus 1 equal to 0. This already solved by Soika. So I have to find the envelope for these families. So anybody has any idea how to find envelope? Rovi, I am showing you the question number 3. Which of the following equation is the envelope of the family of possible tangent planes? You know how to find envelope for a family. Okay, I will tell you, no problem. First, let me admit one. Hello, Sasank. So I am solving. Okay. I am solving question number 3. You just look at this. Last day, Soikot solved the family of possible tangent planes for this equation ux square plus uy equal to 1. So today I have to find the envelope for the families of possible tangent plane, envelope of this family. The answer is B, z equal to px plus qy, where p square plus q minus 1 equal to 0. It's already got. Now I have to find the envelope. So you know how to what is envelope or how to find envelope. Sasan, otherwise I will tell. Tell me what you know. Okay, okay, I will tell. So the envelope, just you have to eliminate this parameter p and q from this equation z. Okay, envelope means the equation, the envelope of the family is given by the eliminating the parameter. This the parameter appears in this equation. Then you will get a surface. So this is this with the in this way you have to find envelope of a surface. There are also some misconceptions that envelope of a one parameter family of plane is a cone. This is always not true. You have to just eliminate the parameter. The envelope of a family actually depends on the how the parameter is appearing in the equation. Okay. So I'm finding the envelope. You just follow the procedure. So let me write the possible tangent plane is, or as many as the number P and Q, number of pairs P and Q are appearing pair, number of pairs P and Q satisfying this relation P square plus Q minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so the so now I will make this equation, this surface z equal to px plus qy, like one parameter. Here parameter are two, p and q, right? But p and q satisfies this relation, p square minus q plus p square plus q minus 1 equal to 0. So q I get as 1 minus p square. Okay. So I will make this equation as one parameter family. Is it okay, Ravi and Sasank? Okay. Now what envelope means? I have to Envelope means I have to eliminate the parameter. Eliminate the parameter p. Here only one parameter. There are two parameter at first, but I make it as single parameter, one parameter. Now I will eliminate this parameter. So eliminate the parameter p. Okay. So how can I eliminate? I just differentiate this equation. Let me call this equation star. I differentiate this equation with respect to the parameter, and then then I will eliminate the parameter p. Let me join one person. So I'm solving, Ramesh. I'm solving this equation. Ux square plus uy equal to 1. Then last day we got the answer. The surface, the possible tangent planes are this, where p and q are given by this relation. So today I will find the envelope for this tangent planes. Envelope means you have to eliminate the parameter. It is a two parameter family. P and Q are the parameter, but P and Q satisfies this relation P square plus Q minus 1 equal to 0. So what I did is that I make this equation as a one parameter family. Okay, now I eliminate this parameter P. So I have to eliminate only one parameter P. Okay, so I am what I have to do is that I have to differentiate with respect to the parameter. Differentiate with respect to P. What I get? Differentiating with respect to p, I get del z del p is 0, because z is not involved in p. Okay, and what is in the right hand side? This is px minus 2py. Okay, understand? You understand, everybody? No, no, actually z is function of x and y now only. Z of xy is px. So del z will be equal to 0. So you have to find what you have to do, eliminate the parameter p. To eliminate, you have to differentiate this equation equation star. Differentiate star. Let me write. Differentiate this equation star with respect to p and find the value of p from this. So what I get, p equal to 2py equal to x, right? So p is equal to x by 2y. Now I will put this value of p in z in star, so that p will be eliminated, right? Understand? So by putting the value of p in star, we get what we get, z equal to x by 2. I am putting just the value, okay? Z equal to px plus 1 minus p squared into y. So x by 2y into x plus 1 minus p squared into y. Just elementary calculation, that is x square by 2y plus 4y square minus x square by 4y. Understand? So it is 2x square plus 4y square minus x square by 4y, which is equal to x square plus 4y square by 4y. So what I get, the equation z equal, I'm writing here, z equal to x square plus 4y square by 4y. So that means x square plus 4y square minus 4yz equal to 0. This equation is independent of the parameter p, right? Okay, this equation. Hello. Ha. Okay. So what is my envelope? Envelope means you have to eliminate the parameter p. So you eliminate the parameter p from, let me write from star, from equation star. So what you get, that you eliminate the parameter p from this equation and you get this equation, the one surface involving x, y and z only. So this is the equation. This is the equation of the envelope. Okay, so let me show you the question again. So the question is that which one of the following equation is the envelope of the family of possible tangent planes? So envelope is what I got. This option C, x square plus 4y square minus 4yz equal to 0. You can check, I'm showing you, x square plus 4y square minus 4yz equal to 0. So option C is correct. Huh. No, no, no. It actually, okay, let me solve the equation then again. Actually, last day Soika solve. Okay, so actually the differential equation is what? Ux square plus uy equal to 1, right? So you know that family of possible tangent plane at any point x0, y0, z0, what is equation? You know this? Let me write. Family of possible tangent plane. Family of possible tangent plane uh, at that x0 at any point arbitrary x0, y0, z0 is given by which equation, you know? Ravi, you don't know, I think. No, you know or don't know? हाँ p into बोलो x minus x naught plus q into, yes, and another relation is that f of x naught, y naught, z naught and pq equal to 0. This, okay, fantastic. So you have to here, acha, let me show you the question. Here x naught, y naught, z naught is 0, 0, 0. Okay, in the question I'm showing you again, through the point 0, 0, 0, to the point 0, 0, 0, you understand? So x naught, y naught, z naught is 0, 0, 0. So so my equation become what? Z naught equal to 0. So z equal to p into x plus q into y. And what is f? F is just this. This is f. মানে this totally equal to 0 is f. মানে f is equal to ux is p square plus q minus 1. You understand what is f? How I find f? So f is equal to 0. So p square plus q minus 1 equal to 0. This relation. This is the tangent plane. Now I have to find. This is the tangent plane equation. Now I have to find the envelope. So I have to just eliminate the parameter p and q. but here it is two parameter family, but I have one relation, so I put q value here, q value as 1 minus p square. Then I got a one parameter family, z equal to px plus 1 minus p square into y. Okay, so I have to eliminate the parameter p to get the answer. So how I eliminate? I just differentiate with respect to the parameter, and then I put the value of the parameter in the main equation. I just differentiate with respect to p, and I put the value of the parameter in star. The main what I got, px plus 1 minus p square y. With this I find the envelope. This is the technique to find the envelope. Okay. So any question, Ruby or other? Any question, Ruby or other? Is there? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Ruby, it is clear. Okay. 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 Fine. So I will move to next question. So you know the how to find envelope then. You can solve. Okay. So question number 4 already discussed by Soikat last day. So I move to question number 5. Is this visible? Question number 5 is visible or not? Anyone please respond. Hello? Okay, visible. Okay. So the Cauchy problem is given by ux cube minus uy equal to 0 with the initial condition is ux0 equal to 2x root x. So you have to find which one of the following direction is the characteristic direction at the point this. You have to find the corresponding OD, the initial strip and value of u at a point. So what I did is that I solved the whole problem, then I will show you the solutions for individual questions. Okay. So the common data for question 5 to 8 means this is the common data, the equation and this initial condition. So let me write first the equation. I'm solving question number 5 to question number 8. I am not giving separate uh, what I say separate question number here. Common data is that the equation is given by the Cauchy problem is given by this, so its initial condition is 2x root x for x greater than 0. Okay, so tell me what is my f here, x y u p q, right? So tell me anyone what is my f. Not 0, but p cube minus q. You have to find suppose some equation is there, u equal to ux plus uy, something like that. So my f will be u minus p minus q. F is f equal to 0 is the equation, but my f will be u minus p minus q, something like that. Okay. Okay, let me erase this. Okay, so now what you have to find? You have to find the characteristic equation for this nonlinear PD. You know that. Okay, let me first write the datum curve, the initial strip or initial datum curve. Datum curve is given by gamma. Gamma equal to what? Can you tell someone what is datum curve? Last day Soikat also tell actually. What is gamma? Anyone? Yeah, Robi and no. What is Fs is corresponding for x, Fy, Gs is corresponding for y, and Hs is corresponding for u. So here what is datum curve? Is initially I will put s is the parameter initially. So what x takes? X takes the value x, right? So initially x will be s, y is 0, and what is u? Tell me, anyone? Ravi? 2s root s. This is initially, because initially I just parameterize this equation. this thing that I underline. Datum curve means you have to parameterize this initial condition. So when this holds, for which value? S is what? Positive, negative, zero, which value? Tell me. S greater than 0 because you took x is equal to s, right? Here you just parameterize s, x, and y is already 0. So y initially y is 0, so gs is 0, y is 0. You just put x equal to s and you get 2s root s. So x is greater than 0 here. So I just put replace x by s. So s is greater than 0. This is the datum curve. Okay. Any question till now? Any question? Okay, then I'm moving to next page. So characteristic equation now I will write for this PD. Characteristic equation for the nonlinear PD or for the Cauchy problem. So let me write the equation here first. Equation is let me write F, that will give you everything. F is P cube minus Q. Okay. So characteristic equation, you know anyone? You know what is dx dt, dy dt? Can you tell? Sorry. This one. Tell me, dx it is, yes, fp only, fp, fp x y z p q something. Actually, if I don't know, f is a function of x y z p q. This is f. So I just write fp. What is dy dt? F. huh. Actually, no need to write these arguments every time. You can simply write fp. fp means f of x y z p q, something like that. F of fp x y z p q, fq. No need to write xyz pq every time. Something. Okay, so what is du dt then? Excellent. Du dt is equal to pfp plus qfq. Dp dt and dq dt. Tell me. Okay, no problem. Yes. Actually, dp dt means you just differentiate देखो. F is a function of x, y, z, p, q, right? X, y, u, p, q. Let me write. Z is u. So you have to dpdt means you have to differentiate with respect to x of this f and taking minus. What is differentiation with respect to x? Can you tell? ddx. This is fx plus del f del u into del u del x. Fx plus del f del u is fu and del u del x means p. So I am getting this. You have to write dpdt is minus of differentiation with respect to x of f. Just for remember, I'm saying. If you are not getting, someone says no, I'm not getting. So like this. Understand? Hello? Okay, okay. Okay, so let me show you the question again. I think you forgot the question. Uh, the question is which first, actually, since question number 5 to 8 has common data, so already question number 6 is about to solve. Just which one of the following system of OD is the characteristic system of OD? Just you already know the formula, so just you have to differentiate F. So you got the answer. So let me solve first 5, then I will move to 6. Okay. So 5 is that which one of the following direction is the characteristic direction at the point 2 minus 1 by 27 4. So let me write the point. Okay, first let me solve this equation. That will be better. Then I will move to question number 5. Let me write the equation. What is FP? Tell me. What is FP? FP is 3p square, right? You understand what is FP from this F? I am calculating. Okay. EFP means 3p square plus QFQ means minus 1. So 3p cube minus q. F, F is independent of x and F is independent of u because F is what? P cube minus q. So this is 0, this is also 0, right? So I think question number 6 solves because question number 6 says that which one of the following is a system of ODE for the characteristic system. So I think equation option C is correct. There's 3p square minus 1, 3p cube minus q, 0, 0. 3p square minus 1, 3p cube minus q, 0, 0. Is it okay? So option for question number 6 answer. Question 6, option is C. Okay, fine. Hello. Okay, okay. So now I want to find the solution for p x y z x y u p q. Okay, for from this system. So let me first write the initial condition, man, initial datum curve. Datum curve is what? Datum curve means on the datum curve we have to find a solution for p and q. So we want the initial values of p and q, right? Datum curve is initially what? P and q, which equation p and q satisfy? P and q, this let me write as order pair. P and q satisfy the following equation. How? That is f on this datum curve. Fs, gs, hs, es, us equal to 0, and another condition is what? ps f dash s plus qs qs g dash s equal to h dash s. You know this from your video lecture, sirs, right? P and Q satisfy the following equation on the datum curve. On the datum curve, we have to find the solution for P and Q, where P and Q satisfies this system. Is it okay? So now I will what is F? F is my P cube minus Q. So F is PS cube minus QS equal to 0. And what is F? F, G and H I first wrote. What is F, G, H? Initially. This is initially. So what is F? F is S, G is 0 and H is 2S root S and 2S power 3 by 2. Okay? Okay na? Fs is S, Gs is 0, Hs is 2S power 3 by 2. Is it okay? This response. Okay. So is this 3 into S power half? I am writing correct or not? Therefore, this from this equation, this system and this system. Fine. Fs I wrote in left hand side, Fs, Gs, Hs. These are the initially on the datum curve. Because the equation is giving, initially condition is giving u x0 equal to 2x root x. That's all. S0 2s into root s, 2s power 3 by 2. Okay. So I will find PS. PS is what? PS is just 3 into s power half. And what is my qs then? Qs is ps cube and 3s power half cube. 3 cube is 27 s power 3 by 2, right? Okay, up to this, any question? So on the datum curve, the 5 tuple is what? Uh, hmm, excellent. This is on the datum curve mean initially. On the datum curve means it's initially. Okay. So let me move to sorry. Let me move to next page. Okay. So what you have to find now? You have to find uh, this is on the datum curve. At a for any x you get us x s y u p q at this point on the datum curve initially. Now you have to find along the characteristic direction at any, suppose you fixed s. Okay, this is for t equal to 0. Now you have to find for any arbitrary t. So along this is datum curve. That datum curve means initially, and this is characteristic curve. So you have to find now for any t. So what you have to do, you have to solve this equation that I got na, dx dt equal to fp. Fp is 3p square, and dy dt is fq. Fq is uh, fq is minus 1. So I will solve this equation to get along the characteristic curve, with where I will use the initial condition as the value on the datum curve, that is on the 5 tuple. Okay. So du dt I'm writing again pfp plus qfq, that I got already 3p cube minus q, and dp dt I got 0, and dq dt I also got 0, right? So now I want to solve. We know actually now here first I will solve for the p and q, because you know that dp dt is 0 means p is constant. So we know the value of p and q on the datum curve, that is here along this curve. But now we want to solve along the characteristic curve. So in the datum curve, parameter is s, because t has a fixed value 0, but along the characteristic curve parameter is t and s both. Okay. So p is a function of t and s, q is also a function of t and s. You understand this point? Any if you have any doubt, you can ask. What I told just now. Okay, actually, you have to find p, q, x, y, u along the characteristic curve, right? Now, that is p is a function of t and s. Q also function of t and s. X is also a function of t and s. But y is also a function of t and s. U is also a function of t and s along the characteristic curve, because you have to find at any arbitrary t, and s is the parameter along the datum curve. But what is datum curve? Datum curve means t is equal to 0 initially. So p of 0 s means I am writing it is as p of s, only function of s. So this equation validates this is a p I am writing na, p means p of t comma s, or q means q of t comma s, something like that. This equation is true along the characteristic line, because this is called characteristic equation. So I'm saying that p is a function of t and s, not p is a function of s only. Here along the datum curve, p is a function of s only. Okay. Any question? Is the doubt clear or not? Clear. Okay. So I am solving for dp dt first. Huh? So tell me what is p of t comma s. It is constant, right? Because derivative is 0, means integration is constant. I am integrating. So tell me what constant is normal constant, number, naki constant is a function of t or function of s, what you think, or both function? Tell me. Function of s only. Why function of both? देखो suppose p is a function of s, then what is dp dt? It is zero na, because derivative is respect to t only here. So integration is a function of another constant, function of s only, not function of both. But or should I give you example? I think you got. No, it is normal derivative, OD, system of OD, function of s only. You don't, suppose p is equal to s square say. So what is dp dt? dp dt is zero na, because s and t are independent variable. So after integrating p, what will you get? P is equal to some function of s, not both. Suppose p is equal to s square plus t square, then dp dt is 2t. Then you will not get p equal to cs after integrating. Integral constant is a function of s only, not a function of both. But p is a function of t and s both, because I am integrating p here. Understand? Understand our question? You have any? Okay. Huh. Okay. So at initially, you know na, at initially, what is at initially means at t equal to 0. P0 is what? Just now you tell me na 5 triple on the datum curve here, I think. Okay, initially what is P? This is X, this is Y, this is U. Initially. This is P, this is Q. So initially P is 3 s power half, right? On the datum curve. Okay. So I am putting P0s is 3 s power half. So C1s is P s power half. You understand this line? This is true for all t na. So P of t comma s is only function of s. Similarly, any question, first of all, any question you have around from this line, or don't understand anything? Any question? Okay, so similarly I get q. Similarly, q is also another constant. Similarly, qt of s is another c2 of s, because dq dt is 0 from my this equation. So what is initially at t equal to 0? Q0s is what? Just now I saw you na 27 s power 3 by 2. So my C2s is 27 s power 3 by 2. So QTS. So I got P and Q along the characteristic line up to this. Okay. Now I will find X, Y, and U. So my equation is for X is dx dt is f of P. F of P means FP means df del f del P means 3P square. So I already get P. P I get as what? Just now I got na P is 3 s power half. So I will put the value of P here. 3 s power half whole square. So this is 27s. Check. So I am integrating. X is a function of t and s. So what is the integration? Tell me. Anyone? Hello. Tell me. In, no. Here equation is dx dt is equal to 27s. X is a function of x and t. Understand? Now I am evaluating along the characteristic line. So x ts is what? Integral of 27s dt plus some plus This equation is, this is right. So x ts equal to what? What is this integration? Plus another constant C3. C3 is a constant of what? S or T or both? No, no. You are integrating with respect to T. So you are integrating with respect to T. So the constant is only function of S or function of X, or it can be any number also, but it cannot be a function of T because you are integrating with respect to T. So constant cannot be a function of T. Okay. Understand? Constant is either function of another variable or it is another any number, no matter. But it cannot be function of that variable in which we are taking derivative. It cannot. Okay. So let me move to next page. So xts you got. Now you know initially x0s, right? Along the datum curve that in the from the 5 tuple. So initially x0s is what I show you that time. It is s, because s0 I am writing here s0 to s power 3 by 2 and 3 s power half and 27 s power 3 by 2. So x is my s. So I'm putting t equal to 0 in the last equation. I'm showing you the equation again in this equation. In this equation, okay. So what I get? I got x0 s equal to, I put t equal to 0. So I got x0 s equal to s is equal to 0 plus c3s. Understand? I just put t equal to 0 here and c3s remains same. So c3s is s, right? So what I got? xts equal to 27 st plus s. Is it okay up to this? Up to this, is it okay? Uh, okay, okay. Suddenly a line has came here. I don't know why. Okay, okay. Now I will solve for y. Only y and u remains. X, p, and q already solved. dy dt is fq. Fq I got as -1. So what is y? Y of t comma s. Tell me, anyone? -3 plus some constant of s. Constant, let me write c4 because I already up to c3 is there. So initially, initially you have value y0 is what? Y0 is 0 from here. This is this is y initially. This is x. This is u. Okay, so y0 is 0. So I am putting 0 here. So what I get, 0 equal to 0 plus -0 plus -0 means 0, c4s. So c4 I got 0, right? So what is my y? Y become -t only. Is it okay? Now I will solve for du dt. Du dt is what? 3p cube minus q. So I am putting the value of p I already got. P is I got 3s power half. And q I got 27s power 3 by 2. Do you want to show? Do you want to check this? How I got p and q? What? You want? Anyone? You know na how p q came here? I just found na last time. Is here p, this is p, this is q. Is this okay? So this is 81 s power 3 by 2 minus 27 s power 3 by 2. Check if I am right or wrong. So 54 s power 3 by 2. Is it okay now? These three lines. So what is my u? U is 54 s power 3 by 2 t plus another constant s, right? So initially u0s is 2 s power 3 by 2. So I'm putting t equal to 0 here. So 2 s power 3 by 2 equal to c5s. Okay. So I got u equal to 54 s power 3 by 2 t plus 2 s power 3 by 2. Okay, right? So let me first write the solution what I got. xts, yts, uts, p function of t and s, and q function of t and s for your convenience. So xts I got as 27 st plus s, y is minus t, p is 3s per half, and q is 27 s per 3 by 2. Up to this it is okay. Any question? Hello? Okay, okay, fine. So now I will show you the question number 5. So question number 5 says that which one of the following direction is the characteristic direction at the point this 2 minus 1 by 27 4. So I already got the characteristic direction, right? So characteristic direction means characteristic direction along these three tuple x, y, and u. So let me first write question number 5 is that you have to find characteristic direction at the point uh, 2 minus 1 by 27 4, right? So what is that? Characteristic direction means characteristic direction lies on the tangent plane, so it is parallel to the normal. Okay, so normal at S is what? Normal at any data on the datum curve, can you tell? This is the normal. This is the normal. So what is P? You already got na, P is 3s power half, just in the above it is written 27 s power 3 by 2 and minus 1. So characteristic direction means characteristic direction lies on tangent plane. Now you have normal, so the dot product is equal to 0 at your at 2 minus 1 by 27 4. So you have to find for which value of s this 2 minus 1 by 27 4 is coming along the tangent direction. Okay, so what you have to do for this, you have to solve the for x, for you have to solve s in terms of x and y. How you do that? You know that y is what? Y I get as minus t, and x I get at 27 st plus s. So I have to find s in terms of x and y from these two relations. So y as minus t and x I got as 27 st plus s. So what I will get? I have to find s in terms of x and y, so that I can put the value 2 to minus 1 by 27 4. So I am replacing t by y. Okay. Now I will find s from this relation. What is x? X is x by 1 minus 27y. Is it okay? I directly wrote from this line. Understand? So at, you understand? Tell me one. S equal to, what is s? S is 2 by 1 minus 27 into minus 1 by 27. So 127 cancel out. So that is 2 by 2 is 1. So AC you got as 1 at that point. In which point you have to find the tangent direction. So normal is what? normal at this s equal to 1, I got it is pq minus 1, right? So p is p, I wrote 3 into s power half, so I put s equal to 1 here. So normal at s is 3 into 1 power half means 1. 27 into 1 power 3 by 2 is also 1 and minus 1. This is non-normal directions. So let the tangent direction is, let tangent direction is ABC, this direction. So what will happen? ABC and the dot product of this normal direction at S will be equal to 0, right? So what you get? 3A plus 27B minus C equal to 0, right? Now you have to check the option for which this ABC satisfies this relation. So 3A plus 27B minus C equal to 0, right? I got. Now I am showing you the question. So which one of the following direction is the characteristic direction at the point? Characteristic direction means tangential direction, same thing, because characteristic direction lies on tangent plane. So I got the relation as, I am taking the direction as ABC. So my ABC satisfies the relation 3A plus 27B minus C equal to 0. So you just check that option, this 27 minus 1 and 27 minus 1 and 54 satisfies only, rest did not satisfy. Let me check this by checking the option. I have to check that which ABC satisfy, has which ABC satisfy 3A plus 27B minus C equal to 0, this relation from my given option. So let me put 3 into 27 plus 27 into minus 1 minus C is 54. So this is equal to 81 minus 27 minus 54 equal to 0. So option answer is my option C, maybe option C is there, that is uh, let me show you option C, 27 minus 1 54. Okay, any question? Tangential direction means characteristic direction, same thing. If any question characteristic direction is given, that means tangential direction. Okay. So any question, Robi or Sasank? No, PQ and minus one is a normal direction, na? Actually, what? देखो, UX is P, right? Normal direction. Del Z del X, del Z del Y. Tell me. Oh, Z equal to function of XY, no, the surface. So phi of XY minus Z I am taking as F. Okay. So what is Fx? Gradient means what? Gradient means means del f del x, right? Del f del x, del f del y, del f del z, right? So del f del x is my p, na? Del f del x means what? Phi of x. Del f del x means del phi del x. This is del phi del y, and this is del f del z means minus 1, right? So del phi del x, phi means z, because z equal to phi xy. So del z del x, del z del y minus 1. Del z del x means I am putting z del z del x as p q minus p. Del z del x I am writing as p only. Z means u, same thing. You can write z or you can write u. Hmm. This is the thing. Okay. So any other question you have? Okay. So let me draw a line. Okay. And okay, so question number 5 solves. Question number 6 already solved at first. I show you now the equation is C, option C is correct. 3p square minus 1, 3p minus p. Okay, question 5, 6 solved. Now question number 7 is that which one of the following is an following 5 tuple is an initial strip at the point this 102. So you have 102. So you have to find S. Only for which value of S this 102 is coming. Okay. So question number 7, you have to find the five tuple along the point 102 initially on the datum curve. So uh, you have to comparing what? Comparing with what I have. I have at the very first. I think I do. Yeah. This is on the initially, right? S0 to S power 3 by 2. So you have to compare S0 to S power 3 by 2 with the point you are giving, that they are giving 102. Okay. Okay. Understand? It is giving initial strip. Initial strip means on the datum curve, means initially t equal to 0, only function of S. Understand? Okay, okay. So I have to, okay, okay. So let me write comparing S0, S0 to S power 3 by 2 with my point giving 102. So what is S? Tell me. Comparing this with this, what is S? Hello? 1. 1, 1. No hesitation. 1 is S, you put S equal to 1, then 102 into 1, so 1. So the initial 5 initial 5 tuple is 102, and now we have to put S equal to 1 in P and Q. Okay. So let me show you the what is initially it is again. Initially it is here. Initially this is so 102. What is this? 3 and 27. What is? I am putting S equal to 1 only, nothing else. So my answer is 102, 3, 27. So it, I think option, sorry, I think 102, 327 is option 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, E, option E. Understand? Hello? So, okay, okay, you just tell me. Okay. So option E answer. Answer option number 5, E. Now we'll move to question number 8. That shows that you have to find the solution. You denote the solution of the given Cauchy problem, means the given problem. Then the value of u at the point this. So you have to find S and T at what is the value of S and T at for 1 by 4 and minus 1 by 9, so that you get the solution, because you have to find the solution ut comma s, not on the initial curve, it is on the characteristic line uts, where both are parameter t and s. So you have to find uts at 1, you have to find the value of u. No, I should write like this. You have to find u at 1 by 4 comma minus 1 by 9. This is a given as function, this is a x and y value, not t and s value. So you have to find t and s in terms of you have to find t and s in terms of x and y, that we already got, because x I got as 27 st plus s and y I got as minus t. I think somebody wants to join now. uh, it's already 7. Okay. So Susmita, I am solving problems. So x equal to 27 st plus s and y equal to minus t. Now you have to find s and t. You know the value of x is 1 by 4 and t y is minus 1 by 9. Okay. So let me go to next. So I'm writing 27 st plus s equal to 1 by 4 and t equal to 1 by 9. So I am finding the value of s from here. So 3s plus s is 1 by 4. So s is 1 by 16. Okay. So now you have to find the value of u at 1 by 4 comma minus 1 by 9 what is given. So you have to find u at 1 by 4 comma 1 by means u of t comma s. But because you know u t s, u is given by this equation. I'm not showing you, I'm directly writing. You can check. Okay, so I already know value of s and t for this particular x and y. The value of x and y are given as 1 by 4 comma minus 1 by 9. So I already find s and t from these two relation, from x and y relation. Now I will put it here because I know u in terms of t and s only, not in terms of x and y. Okay. So that's why I have to find the value of s and t from x and y given value. So I am putting x is equal to this and t equal to 1 by 9 and 2 1 by 16 power 3 by 2. So it is, you can check, it is 54 into 1 by 4 cube into 1 by 9, 6 plus 2 into 1 by 4 cube. So 6 plus 2, 8 by 4 cube. So this means 1 by 8, right? Is it okay? 1 by 8. So let me just check, just show you the question number 8. 1 by 8 is, let me show you, accepted and 1 by 8. So answer is 1 by 8. Okay. So any question? Any question you have? So I will just give some overview of from then I will move to the next overview from the next question. The next, hello, any question? First tell me from question number 5 to 8. I for 5 to 8 problems. Okay. So actually for the next common data for question 9 to 12, the same procedure. Only the Cauchy problem changes and the initial condition is changes. The same question, same procedure you have to follow. Let question is visible, right? It is showing that the consider the Cauchy problem this, and you have to find the system of OD. So again same thing, dx dt is f of p, dy dt is f of q. What is f? You can tell. Anyone can tell by showing the equation. What is f? F in terms of x, y, u, p, q. Tell me. Huh. Then minus u is here na. You have to f is f equal to 0. You have to find everything in one side. Okay. X minus u. You have to suppose u equal to something is given. So f is my f will be f equal to 0. So everything you have to put one side and other side 0 will be there. Okay, you are right. Xp plus yq plus p square plus q square by 2 minus u. This is f. So with this f, you can easily find the equation because you know the system, ODE system. Dx dt is fp, dy dt is fq. So let me write it for f here for your convenience. F is xp plus yq plus p square plus q square by 2 minus u. Everything you have to put one side and another side is 0. So this is it. So your equation is dx dt is equal to fp dy dt equal to fq, du dt equal to what, pfp plus qfq, and dp dt equal to minus fx minus pfu. So you just find this value and you got the answer. Okay. Question number 9 is same. No need to worry. Only you have to find FP, FQ and you got the answer. It's already 7:10, so I'm just giving the overview. Any problem? Otherwise, I will solve if you want. Okay, okay. So you will get the answer as option D, I think. You can solve this. You can take a screenshot or take a picture. You can solve in your home and then next day you can tell. Okay, question is same. The procedure is same. Okay. Hello. Okay, okay. Previous year question. This year question is same thing like same as this. You can check it. No need to worry. So again, you have to find the 5 tuple. I already solved this. The how to find the 5 tuple. You can solve this. You can take screenshot or yeah picture. Again, you have to find which of the following direction is the characteristic direction that I solve. I put ABC into normal direction. ABC dot normal direction is 0. I check which ABC satisfies this relation. And you have to find the value of U at a given point, 3, 3. Same. For question 13 to 16 already discussed by Soika. So with this, I think you can, you want to take screenshot of question 11, you can take, and question 12 also. Take, already taken or not? Okay, so Soikat, you post the link. My chat box is not visible because the procedure is same. If you get any doubt, then we can discuss in next class. The same procedure I solved question number 5 to 8, same thing. You check that I am giving you hints that you get two values for q here in this equation. Okay, two values of q. So 100 pq, you get two values, so you got the two answer, -1 and 1. You can check in the same way that I solved just now for question 5 to 8. Okay, any question? So Robi and Sasank, I think Soikat already post the link. You can check the previous year question. Yes, so at 7:13 he post just now. Okay, you can check the questions using you go to download option and check assignments, then click on week 3, then you will get the questions. So question number 9 to 12 you can solve using the same technique I use for question number 5 to 8. That's it. Any question you have? Robi, Shashank, and Susmita, you joined late. Actually, my class is from 6 to 7. Tuesdays from 6 to 7, and Soikat class is Friday from 7 to 8. You please note this. What is integral surface? Integral surface means what you want to. Integral surface means the solution of this equation, no? No, no, you have to go to the lectures. You have to go to the lectures, and if you do not get it, then you can ask. It will be better. Solution. Solution is the integral surface, no? The solution surface is integral. Suppose z. Suppose your equation is something ux plus uy equal to 1. So u equal to, you get function of xy, right? So this is a surface. So the uh, solution is the integral surface for this PD. The solution surface, I can say. Solution surface is the integral surface. You can go through the lectures so that you will get the exact definition, or I think some examples also. How can I find the solution? Hmm. I will get a surface, any surface. Yeah. This surface is integral. The solution surface is the integral surface. The name is just integral. Huh? Huh. And datum curve means initially at t equal to 0. What you get? What is the characteristic curve is for any t? It is for t equal to 0, and here for any t, for any t, then you will get another surface. Something like that. So this surface. This forms a surface, right? For any t, you are moving value of t equal to 0, suppose t equal to 1, t equal to 2, you got a surface. So this is called solution surface. Solution surface is the integral surface. Just name changes. Okay. So any other question? Ravi and Shashank, you please go through the lectures. My request, so that you will understand the solving problem. How I solve the problem. Something. Any question? Can ask. Hello. Okay. Thank you. And Ravi, you have any question? Hello, Ravi. Yes. Tell me. I cannot hear you. Or you can post in chat if you have any question. Otherwise, you can leave.